Here we have to solve the given equation by graphically. X plus y equal to 5 and other is x minus y equal to 3. So, hey everyone, in this video we are going to make simultaneous equation. Super easy using graphical method. Let's break it down step by step. Here first of all we have to make rectangle like this. Other is we have two equations, first and the second. Here this box will help us easy to make this equation. First we put x to 0. Here we have to solve equation first. X plus y equal to 5. Here we put x equal to 0. Substitute x equal to 0 plus y equal to 5. Here we get y equal to 5. And then we have to put y equal to 0. So x plus y equal to 5. X plus we put y equal to 0, so put here to 0 and we get x equal to 5. We can write like this 0 comma 5 5 comma 0. And the other equation is x minus equal to 3. Here we have to put first x equal to 0, x equal to 0 minus y equal to 3, minus y equal to 3, we get minus 3, and then we have to put x equal to 0. After that we should put y equal to 0, so that x minus y equal to 3, we put y equal to 0, x minus y equal to 0 equal to 3, x equal to 3 plus 0 equal to x equal to 3, we get 3, x equal to 3. So we put 3 and write like this 0 minus 3 comma 0. After this we have to plot, obtain points in graph. I repeat, first of all we have to put x equal to 0 and then y equal to 0. 0 0 0 0. If you put like this you can solve in two box easily. X equal to 0, y equal to 0. First we take x equal to 0 and then take y equal to 0 and solve equation in drop like this. The given point we get 0 comma 5 5 comma 0 0 minus 0 comma minus 3 3 comma 0. So this point have to plot on the graph. Here I have the graph. Here 0 comma 5, where is 0 0 and y equal to 5. 1 2 3 4 5, here 5 0 comma 5. Another is 5 comma 0. 1 2 3 4 5, 0 is 0, 5 comma 0. Another equation is 0 comma minus 3. 0 1 2 3, here is 0 comma minus 3. Another point is 3 comma 0. 1 2 3, 0 is here. 3 comma 0. We have to join the line. First of all we should join first two lines from first equation like this, a straight line. You can draw as long as you want, must be a straight line. the answer is 1 2 3 4 4 comma 0. This is the answer. In graphical method, where the 2 points meet, that is the answer. In this case, 2 linear line meet at 4 comma 1, so the answer is x comma y equal to 4 comma 1. So you can also write like this: x equal to 4 and y equal to 1. This is the answer. You can see properly and you should try. Now let me give you a few exercise. You will try and comment the answer. X plus y equal to 6, x minus y equal to 3. Another is x minus y equal to 9. Another is 2x plus y equal to 3. This is the exercise you will do on your copy, and comment your answer. Let me reply, is it correct or incorrect. So that how you solve simultaneous equation using the graphical method, easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.